Hello friends, a very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Today's video is on a very serious note. It's on a very serious topic, and this is not for light-hearted person. If you are having a soft heart, or if you are not able to handle any kind of pressure, or if you cannot see hurting someone, or if you cannot see that someone is getting issues due to our spell, then this video is not for you. This is the very powerful spell which produces deadliest results. That is, this is the deadliest death spell which can cause havoc, destruction, and the ultimate aim of this spell is to give death to your enemy. So this is the powerful live spell. We will request our viewers who are quite soft hearted or who are not looking for an enemy revenge, then please don't continue with this video, because it's a very powerful strong video which will help you to get the results. Now dear brothers and sisters, there are certain things which I would like to clarify all of you. One is that don't ever try this spell on a innocent person or on a simple man or a woman. If you are having issues with your neighbors, you can try this spell. If your enemy is causing havoc in your life, you can try this spell. However, if you are going to try it on a negative or on a person who is not having any kind of a issue with you, or just trying for entertainment purpose, then I request you don't ever try this spell, because this spell will cause havoc, will cause a huge destruction, will cause a huge problems in the lives of your enemy. Dear brothers and sisters, it's a ace, means a powerful premium spell which generally used by spellcasters upon request of our viewers. We have brought up this spell. You need a bottle. If you are able to see it, this bottle has got green color, and second thing, there is little bit water as well in this bottle. Look, little bit water is there. This much of water is there, not a big water, not a huge quantity of water is there. 2 cardamoms are required, which are there on your screen right now, and a card which has to be of the same face, same value, and the same size, right? This card you require. I hope you are clear with the instructions right now, the materials which you need. First of all, what you will do on dark night, that is when there is no light, you are going to gather the powers. You will sit on the rooftop at sharp after 10 p.m. After 10 p.m. between 4 a.m. you can practice this spell on a no moon night, that is complete dark night. All the deadliest evil powers would be there to help you to get the desired results. How you are going to do it? You will hold these two cardamoms like this, and on one cardamom you will write down the first alphabet. For example, if the John, then I will write J, right? And if the alphabet is surname is Smith, so I will try to write Smith, that is S. Once you have done it, you are going to provoke the night powers, the deadliest power, and by chanting this spell. Govind Mahim, your enemy's name, Vatsal Watani. You will chant this spell till you do not feel the warmness in your body, till you are not able to feel some kind of fire around you, right? And once you have started feeling fire around you, you will put these two cardamoms into this bottle like this. First you will remove the cap, right? And you are going to put the cardamoms. 1, 2. I hope you are able to see the cardamoms. They are floating on the water in the bottle. These are you will shake the bottle like this. For 20 minutes you are going to shake this bottle, and while shaking this bottle you will continue reading this chant, because this chant is going to attract the negative powers around you. And once your negative power has come, you will be able to feel them. You will just burn this card, right? Once you burnt this card, you will put the ashes of this card in this water bottle, right? And you will throw this water bottle into a graveyard or a cremation ground or near to the grave of a dead person. In the next 24 hours, your enemy will be having the deadliest, will be having the worst time of his or her life. He or she will be on his or her feet, will have severe attacks, severe pain, ultimate depression, destruction of wealth, anxiety, stress, family issues, everything. And the worst part is that your enemy cannot be cured right now. No one will be able to cure your enemy. If you have any doubt, I request all my viewers that try this spell only on certain conditions. If you have any doubt regarding this spell, please don't forget to comment or don't forget to ask on the number which is there on your screen. till that moment, take care. God bless you. Bye bye. Khuda Hafiz.